In this imagery, we see four balloons which represent four felt earthquakes on the Jamaica mainland for the period of 2023 to November 19, 2024. We also see an area that is demarcated by yellow coloring, and this area represents the November 4 landslide that occurred on the Brandon Hill to Mt Airy Road. What it is that we are seeing here is the close proximity of all four felt earthquakes within the period. This relatively close proximity of felt earthquakes within a relatively short period of time leads me to classify this area as an active seismic zone. As per the United States Geological Survey, a seismic zone is used to describe an area where earthquakes tend to focus. Now, in Jamaica's context, using this definition, there does exist other areas that can be classified as active seismic zones. But in focusing on the area specifically, that of the landslide that occurred on November 4, 2024, we can infer that these earthquakes have a close relationship in terms of being a causative factor behind the landslide of this kind of scale. Similarly, we can infer that the communities surrounding these cluster of earthquakes are sitting on lands that are relatively weak and susceptible to future landslides. So the relevance of this information is such that in terms of hazard management or hazard mitigation related to earthquakes or future rainfall events, it is of critical focus if it's a case that we're going to try and mitigate against any form of disruption to lives and livelihoods within the areas of Brandon Hill, Mount Prospect, New Gardens, etc.